Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies from a mix. First, gather your ingredients. A box of brownie mix, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9x 13-inch baking pan. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now, empty the brownie mix into a large mixing bowl. Add the 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together with a spoon until they are just moistened, typically around 50 strokes. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to dry, crumbly brownies. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into the greased 9x 13-inch baking pan. Place the pan in your preheated oven and bake for 28 to 31 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the brownies. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. After baking, remove the brownies from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This crucial step prevents crumbling and ensures you get nice, clean slices. Once fully cooled, cut into 2-inch squares and serve. Enjoy your delicious homemade brownies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.